$1 magic mailer review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this offer called $1 magic mailer. So we'll get to the sales page here where it says how would you like to reach 42,517 on my own list every day, all for just one single dollar. Okay, we'll come to the scrap in a moment. Before that, I'll show you something. So they say that you can get everything in just $1 here, as you see. And even the sales page, you will find nothing except only $1 promise. Okay. So on front end, when you are promoted these kind of things, you only see the sales page, and on the sales page, you only see $1. Okay. But in the back end, I'm showing you that this is only a trick for them to get you into the program. So you pay $1, you get into it, and then you're being asked for more and more and more. It's like vampires asking for your blood. Every drop they will squeeze. So they want you to sell this, this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, so it's literally wasting my time doing this, but there is a reason I'm doing this. As you might be able to see flashing in the video at the bottoms, saying or showing grow your money 27% per year. So that can happen if you come below and click on the first link, then come to this page, watch this video, okay? Because this prints money, as you can see here, without doing anything. This is the software I have created using my own brain because I do this myself. You can see my charts and everything. I have invented this on my own because 3-4 years ago, I used to do these stupid reviews. Stupid means that high quality reviews, but that is not my standard. Okay, it's too low for me to do these reviews, but still I saved thousands of dollars for people back then. 5 years ago I was doing these reviews. I did this for like 2 years, and then I changed my field. Okay, anyways, so now I have something to offer because this can make you money on autopilot. It prints money. You can see here all this money was made by using this. Okay, anyways, you will understand nothing until you come and watch this video. Okay, more you can always contact me. You will find some contact details below this page. So what you need to do is first link below, come to this page, watch the video, and then decide what you're gonna do. Disclaimer is my program, my software, this is not some training program. This is not something you have to learn. It's a software I have created which will work on the chart, and it will print the money, and I will give you all the steps and whatever has to be done. But it is not for people who are broke. Okay, if you don't have money, if you have 5, 10, 20, 50 bucks, $100, it's not for you. If you have $500, it's not for you. If you have $1,000, it's not for you. Okay, I have a system. It makes money for those people who already have the money. Okay, so let your money do the work. If you got the money, then only the system will help you. Otherwise, if you're broke, stay broke and don't even spend the penny on this program anyway. Okay, so let's come to the sales page here. Let's waste our time now. So the ultimate opportunity to reach my tribe, your URL mailed to these many members daily, sent out daily, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's get back here first of all. So as I have shown you already that they want the money, like vampires want to squeeze your blood out of your body. That's what they do here. On Warrior Plus, they launch garbage, and they are willing to squeeze every single dollar you have. I will prove that to you. So when we go to the history of the vendor here, you will see that they have been launching this too many times. You see, 80 products so far. Ratings are bad, 2.6 out of 5. And technically in the recent past, you can see this is the latest one. I'm doing the review, $1 magic. Then last one was $1 traffic. Then we had $1 new traffic, this and that. Garbage. Okay, now let's talk about common sense. Common sense is, if you have it, first of all, if one thing is supposed to make money, next thing will not be required, or at least 80 things will not be required, for goodness sake. Okay, you don't need 80 products to make money. Okay, you could go and learn one skill, master something, and then you build onto it, then you keep working on it. Okay, I made money in every method I tried. Okay, starting from, maybe I don't know, when I started, I think I had been working online since last 10-11 years, or maybe more actually. Okay, I did SEO, I made money in that. I did affiliate marketing, I made money in that. I made these YouTube videos, I made money in that. I changed to trading, I made money in that. Whatever I have done, that has made me money, but at least I have not tried 80 things. You don't have to buy 80 things or learn 80 things to make fucking money, okay? It's all garbage. So their motive is, or their need, you could say, or whatever they have known in their life is only to just sell you garbage over and over again, okay? So now let's talk, or let's speak common sense. If you have 40,000 members, why are you allowing somebody else to email them? Go and email them, go and email them yourself, and get all the sales to yourself. For example, lame human logic. If I have 42,000 subscribers to my email list, double opt-in, triple opt-in, orgasm, four opt-in, gangbang, everything, okay? If I have all these members in my email list, I would rather go and sell them my own product, or, get all the sales to myself. Why would I share? Why would I share my email list to you in $1, $5, $50? Why would I do that? Because I can hit the send button to the and my offer will go to those 40,000 people, and I will get back-to-back sales. Why would you share that email list to somebody in $1 unless that list is garbage? Okay. So if you can't understand, then I will not waste my voice and my time, because 80 products, it's a clear picture that they are doing this business for making money for themselves. Nobody gives a damn if you live or die, okay? Even in Epstein files, humans have eaten humans. So anyway, so nobody cares. Now here, the trick again, you get into $1, then you pay them more somehow, okay? But the only reason I'm making this video now, because I have something to offer, which will print you money I'm giving you 5 years money back guarantee, okay? On the website, it says 1 year. I will maybe change that later on, okay? I will change the guarantee later on. On the website right now, it will be saying 1 year money back guarantee. I am going to give you 5 years money back guarantee, because this system prints money, and I can guarantee you can use it for 5 years. If it doesn't print money for you, come back after 5 years, I'll give you the refund. So that's powerful system. Anyway, so go and check out the first system below. Again, it's only for people who got the money, not for broke people. Money makes money. That's my software is useful for, okay? Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't waste your pennies. If you have $10, $20, first of all, don't buy things from Warrior Plus. It's like they will not help you to make money. That's my guarantee. Okay, it can give you some helpful information in some training program, but you will not make shit in $20. Get your thoughts correct at one place. Okay, you buy something in $20, $30, $50, $100, you don't make shit. You make nothing. You need to have a skill, or spend a lot of money to grow that skill. Okay, anyways, let's cut the story short. The only reason I'm making the video is so that you can go and get your hands onto the software and print money. Otherwise, your loss. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.